Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and ring the bell so you never miss out on all things motorcycles. We're diving deep into another exciting bike review today, so grab a seat and get ready for the ride. Now, let's get into it. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda Shadow 750, a cruiser that has been highly anticipated by both newcomers and seasoned riders alike. Honda has always been known for delivering reliable, well-engineered bikes, and the Shadow 750 continues that tradition. Whether you're someone looking for a comfortable cruiser for long trips or a bike that blends classic style with modern features, the Shadow 750 seems to tick all the boxes. First things first, let's talk design. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 stays true to its cruiser roots with its sleek, low-slung profile. Honda has made sure this bike not only performs well but also catches eyes wherever you go. The overall look is timeless, a nod to the old-school, classic cruiser's aesthetics that the Shadow has always been known for. Up front, you'll notice the aggressive yet minimalist headlamp. It's got that vintage feel, but there's a modern edge with its LED technology that improves visibility while still maintaining that signature look. The chrome accents around the bike really pop, adding a touch of elegance. The fuel tank itself has a subtle curve, and Honda's iconic branding is etched into it beautifully. And let's not forget about the attention to detail on the bodywork. The paint job options for the 2026 model are stunning. Whether you opt for the classic black, rich maroon, or sleek silver, you'll get that glossy finish that Honda is known for. The motorcycle has a sturdy, well-balanced frame that ensures you'll feel stable and grounded while riding. Now, let's get into the comfort factor, which is huge when you're considering a cruiser bike. Honda has really stepped up its game here with the Shadow 750. The ergonomics are designed to make long-distance riding as comfortable as possible. The handlebars are positioned just right, not too far forward or too close, making for a relaxed riding posture. One of the best features is the seat. It's a plush, wide seat that ensures comfort, even on those long rides where your butt might start to feel sore on lesser bikes. The foam is dense but responsive, providing support without being too hard. For those of you who ride solo, the seat allows you to sit comfortably for hours without feeling too cramped, and if you're planning on riding tuned up, the rear seat offers enough space for a passenger to sit comfortably, too. Another standout feature in terms of comfort is the suspension. The Shadow 750 features a dual-shock rear suspension system that absorbs bumps and uneven road surfaces, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where you're headed. Combined with the front telescopic fork, this bike is built for smooth cruising. Alright, let's dive into the heart of the machine. The engine. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 comes equipped with a 745cc V-twin engine that's known for its smooth power delivery. This engine is great for both city rides and longer highway cruises. The V-twin setup gives it that characteristic rumble, making it sound as good as it feels. What's fantastic about this engine is its power-to-weight ratio. You're getting enough grunt to pass on highways without hesitation, but it's still approachable for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, you'll find that the Shadow 750 provides a manageable level of power. It delivers around 40 horsepower, which is enough to keep up with traffic but doesn't make the bike feel too intimidating. Fuel efficiency is another major plus for the 2026 Shadow 750. With its fuel-injected engine, you're looking at a solid range per tank. Honda has optimized this bike to get around 50 to 55 miles per gallon, making it a great option for those long trips or daily commutes. Now, let's talk about handling and transmission. The Shadow 750 features a 5-speed transmission with a belt drive. The shifting is buttery smooth, with no roughness or hesitation, which is something a lot of cruisers struggle with. It allows for seamless gear transitions, whether you're starting from a stop or cruising at higher speeds. Handling is incredibly responsive for a bike in this category. It has a low center of gravity, which helps with stability, especially at slower speeds and during tight turns. This makes the Shadow 750 a fantastic bike for beginners who want a cruiser that feels both nimble and sturdy. The bike's turning radius is also tight enough to maneuver through city streets without issue, and the low seat height makes it easy for most riders to touch the ground at a stop, increasing confidence for those new to motorcycles. In terms of technology, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 doesn't hold back. Honda has equipped the bike with a digital display, giving you all the crucial information you need at a glance: speedometer, odometer, trip meter, fuel gauge, and more. It's all cleanly integrated into a single unit, so you don't get distracted by too many readings. The LED lighting is not only a nod to modernity, but also enhances safety. Visibility on the road is crucial, especially at night, and the Shadow 750's lighting setup provides excellent illumination. Whether you're navigating a dark road or stuck in traffic, you'll be noticed. In terms of rider assistance, Honda has included features like ABS anti-lock braking system, which adds an extra layer of safety. This system helps maintain control during sudden braking or in wet conditions, something that riders really appreciate when they're on the road. Braking is another critical aspect of any motorcycle, and Honda ensures that the Shadow 750 handles this well. The bike comes with a single-disc brake on both the front and rear wheels, providing strong, reliable stopping power. The feel is progressive, meaning the bike doesn't suddenly dive into braking. It feels smooth and controlled, even when you need to stop quickly. The addition of ABS is a huge win, especially for riders who might not have as much experience in emergency braking scenarios. The system prevents the wheels from locking up, which gives you peace of mind in potentially dangerous situations. One thing that's been a hallmark of the Honda Shadow series is the incredible range of customization options available. The 2026 Shadow 750 is no exception. Whether you're looking to upgrade the exhaust for that extra growl, add a custom seat for more comfort, or install unique saddlebags for storage, Honda offers a variety of aftermarket options. There's also a strong community of aftermarket brands that produce parts and accessories for this bike, meaning you can make it your own and fine-tune it to your personal taste. Now, let's talk about value. When you compare the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 to other bikes in the cruiser category, you'll find it to be an excellent deal. Honda has kept the price competitive while offering top-tier engineering, comfort and style. You're looking at an MSRP around $8,000 and to $9,000, and which is a great price for what you get. For that price, you're getting a bike that's reliable, fun to ride, and full of features that riders appreciate. It also holds its value well, so if you decide to trade it in or sell it in a few years, you're likely to get a solid return on your investment. So, who is the 2026 Honda Shadow 750 for? It's an excellent option for a wide range of riders. If you're a beginner who wants to get into cruising but still wants something with some real power and features, the Shadow 750 is a fantastic choice. For more experienced riders, it offers a classic cruiser experience that's comfortable, reliable, and still fun. And for anyone who loves long rides, whether solo or with a passenger, the Shadow 750 provides the comfort and stability you need. If you're someone who enjoys customizing your ride or wants a bike that looks as good as it performs, this model will not disappoint. So there you have it, folks, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. Whether you're just starting out or looking for your next cruiser, this bike offers a perfect blend of power, comfort, and style. If you're in the market for a new ride, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thank you so much for tuning into. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the Honda Shadow 750 or if you've had the chance to ride it, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Catch you on the next ride, and remember, stay safe out there.